How to sell a TikTok shop. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to demonstrate on how can you initiate an online business by selling everyday products on TikTok shop. I'll also illustrate how you can swiftly start earning money online. Many creators are able to achieve more than $10,000 per month by selling various products on TikTok without creating a single video of themselves. You can replicate the exact 6 steps to begin generating $5 to $10,000 monthly by selling everyday products on TikTok Shop. Before we begin, let's discuss on what TikTok Shop is and how it operates. The reason people venture into the TikTok Shop was to find a business that could help people to earn a 6-figure income annually, all while being completely passive and manageable from home. This would enable people to spend more time with their family and explore the world. One of the great aspects of selling products on TikTok is that you don't need extensive experience to start. Additionally, you don't also require a large amount of startup capital. In fact, you don't even need to create the videos of yourself. Furthermore, you won't have to store any inventory at home, as there are warehouses that handles the storage, packing, and shipping of your products. These warehouses seamlessly integrate with your TikTok seller account. Alright, now let's move into the another step. We'll create a TikTok seller account by visiting seller.tiktok.com and hit enter in the web search. It is important to note that you don't need a LLC or to create a TikTok seller account. You can start simply with your personal information. You will upload a personal and bank information to seller.tiktok.com and you're good to go. Another advantage of having a seller TikTok account is that it's completely free and you won't have to pay any monthly fees. Now let's proceed to step number 2. We'll identify a profitable product to sell on TikTok. There are a couple of strategies like people like to use for the product research on TikTok. People often utilize the Shop Plus and Fast Moves, which are TikTok analytic tools that provide insights into the current top selling products on TikTok and their earnings. For instance, today's best-selling product on TikTok was Detangling Hairbrush, which generated over $193,000 in sales. Additionally, Fast Moves helps identify the best-selling products on TikTok. And another strategy people employ involves leveraging Amazon to determine the popular products and reselling them on TikTok. Amazon's Amazon Movers and Shakers section showcases products that have recently surged in popularity. For example, a cosmetic bag with the inscription "Love You Bestie" has experienced a sales increase over $2,700, indicating its current popularity. And if you prefer not to pursue this route, you can simply sell products that are currently trending on TikTok using shopplus.net. And moving on to this step number 3, we will locate a supplier for our product on TikTok Shop. For instance, if we identify the Detangling Hairbrush as a popular product on Shop Plus, we'd see a supplier. I personally recommend using 2 websites for finding suppliers. That is Wholesale Central, which connects you to suppliers in the United States, and Alibaba, which is primarily for connecting with the overseas suppliers, particularly in China. And working with US suppliers offers the advantage of faster product turnaround times, typically within 2 to 3 weeks. On the other hand, Alibaba provides access to product at lower costs, such as Detangling Hairbrush, which can be way lot more cheaper than expected. So this is basically on how can you sell on TikTok Shop for beginners. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to notify yourself whenever we upload new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.